Chicken Malai Boti pizza is a delicious fusion dish that combines the flavors of chicken Malai Boti and pizza. Here's a recipe to make chicken Malai Boti pizza. Ingredients for chicken Malai Boti: 500 grams boneless chicken, cut into cubes, 1 cup yogurt, 2 tablespoons cream, 2 tablespoons grated cheese, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, skewers for grilling. For pizza: pizza dough, store-bought or homemade, tomato sauce or pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, sliced onions, sliced bell peppers, sliced tomatoes, chopped coriander leaves, red chili flakes, optional, olive oil for brushing. Instructions: in a bowl, combine yogurt, cream, grated cheese, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, white pepper powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix well to make a marinade. Add the chicken cubes to the marinade and mix until each piece is coated. Marinate the chicken for at least 2 hours or overnight in the refrigerator for better flavor. Preheat your grill or oven to medium-high heat. If using skewers, thread the marinated chicken onto them. Grill the chicken skewers or bake them in the oven until they are cooked through and slightly charred. This will take about 15 to 20 minutes. Turn them occasionally for even cooking. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the skewers and cut it into smaller pieces. Preparing the pizza: preheat your oven to the temperature specified on the pizza dough packaging or 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, if using homemade dough. Roll out the pizza dough on a floured surface to your desired thickness. Place it on a greased baking sheet or a pizza stone. Spread a layer of tomato sauce or pizza sauce evenly over the pizza dough. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Arrange the sliced onions, bell peppers, tomatoes, and the cooked chicken Malai Boti evenly on top of the cheese. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and red chili flakes for added flavor and spice, optional. Brush the edges of the pizza dough with olive oil to give it a golden crust. Place the pizza in the preheated oven and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Once cooked, remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Slice the chicken Malai Boti pizza and serve it hot. You can garnish with additional coriander leaves if desired. Enjoy your delicious chicken Malai Boti pizza.